Have you any issue in playing NES games in Android or Windows device? If yes, let's make it easy. On Android device, go to Play Store and search for NES emulators. This app is the emulator through which you can play NES games on Android. Now for downloading NES games, you can go to the website shown. For downloading, click on Save Game. You can see that Contra has been downloaded. Now open this emulator. You can see that the game which we have downloaded isn't here. For that, click on Search Device for ROMs. It will add that game to your list. That's it. For Windows, you can download any of the emulator shown here. For example, I am downloading Meson. After downloading, do right-click and click Extract here. Now simply open it. After opening, go to File and click Open. Now select the game which you have downloaded and click Open. That's it. For watching awesome tutorials like this, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.